Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Punnuri. This is my third window in which my Tulsi pot is there. I've been waiting to transform this window with complete traditional touch. So shall we do it together? First we will see the materials required. I want to paint this ceramic Tulsi pot with terracotta color. To know a detailed tutorial how to paint ceramic and plastic pots, you may please watch my video number 32, for which the link will be given in description box. Here I am using Fevicryl acrylic colors. To get terracotta color, I added white in Indian red color. After the first coat of painting becomes completely dry, we will apply varnish. We will give the second coat after making entire design on the pot. So while handling the pot till then, the paint won't chip off once we apply varnish. Instead of thinking about the design what to make, we can always utilize the existing design on the pot. Here also I am doing the same by highlighting the design using Fevicryl 3D outliner. We can easily fill the design step by step. While making the design, if it goes wrong, don't worry, you can gently remove the design with the wet cloth. Making traditional designs is not that difficult as everyone feels. You can go for simple designs, yet they look ethnic. You don't have to make designs on entire pot. Here I am going to highlight only the swastik symbol and I am leaving the other sides as they are. While using 3D outliner, sometimes you don't get running lines with a good finish. So here is a trick to hide the flaws. Just make continuous dots over the running lines. After finishing, you may notice bold lines with absolute neat finish. The final touch is to add colors of turmeric and kumkum. We'll paint this plastic pot in which Tulsi plant will be placed. I find changing soil or the plant in plastic pot is easy than this ceramic pot because of the size. That's the reason I am placing this Tulsi plant in the plastic pot. To get that perfect turmeric color, I added little orange in chrome yellow color. We will make some traditional column designs on the pot. Column is much more than just an aesthetic art. It symbolizes happiness and prosperity. Column basically consists of dots and lines together form a meaningful design. Column is said to be drawn to announce auspiciousness that all is well in the household, while its absence implies otherwise. We are going to use these plastic containers as a base to place the ceramic pot. We will place two containers together so that it will take the weight of ceramic pot. Here we will use M-seal to get even edges. We will paint the plastic container and make some column designs on this too. In South India, women religiously perform this ritual of drawing this column. Rain or shine, they never skip this ritual even for a day. Once the paint is completely dry, apply varnish to make them waterproof. These are the tile pieces which will be placed on plastic containers as a base. Here also I will make column designs using Fevicryl acrylic color. Whenever you make a new house or renovate your house, don't throw these tile pieces which are so useful while making your window gardens. If you are not familiar with column designs, nowadays internet made it so easy to find many designs as per your ability to draw. After the painting is done, applying varnish is very important to seal the paint and make it waterproof. These are the river stones which we made in previous video using wall putty. You may please watch the video for the procedure. For that, the link is given in description box. We'll draw some column designs on these stones as well. In previous video, we tested whether they are 100% waterproof or no. Now we'll see whether they are breakable or unbreakable. Dropped it again and checked. Third time, throw it with a little force. You may notice a small piece of came out. This means they are breakable but not easily broken. So your efforts will not go waste. You can start drawing column designs now. This is acrylic permanent marker pen and shake it well before you start using it. Keep pressing the tip till the paint starts flowing. Now the pen is ready to use. We'll make mini column designs on these stones also. In my coming up videos, we'll see how to use these stones in making a wall decor. So don't miss it. You can buy this acrylic permanent marker pen either online or in any local store. So in this video, we used three things to make column designs. One is Fevicryl 3D outliner, and the second is Fevicryl acrylic paint and paintbrush, and the third one is acrylic permanent marker pen. These stones are very lightweight as compared to the natural ones, so you can place as many as you want in your window. Finish making designs on all the stones. After making the designs, when the paint is completely dry, apply varnish on both sides of the stone. I bought 2 sets of terracotta lamps during festival Diwali. I found them very pretty and I was very much sure that they will look beautiful along with any other decor. Today I got the chance to use them in this window. I was amazed with the craftsmanship of these lamps and decided to use them for decoration, but not as lamps. Long back, I bought these terracotta bells and birds and painted them using Fevicryl acrylic colors. Now we got all the things ready with us, so let's assemble them in the window. First, place the tile for stability and then the 2 plastic containers, and again placed one more tile for balance. Now placed a plastic tray for collecting extra drained water and then kept the ceramic pot over it and then placed the Tulsi pot in it. Now we will place the stones which we made on either side of the tile. On festivals or on some occasions, you may add all these other things to get more aesthetic look. Many people keep asking why my Tulsi plant is not doing well. The most important thing to know is your Tulsi plant has to be watered only when the top layer of the soil is dry. The soil should never be soggy. To encourage a good growth of Tulsi plant, the tops of Tulsi plants have to be pruned once in a while. So this is how you can decorate your window with all inexpensive things, yet make it look very elegant. I am really happy the way these stones turned out and complementing the whole ambience of this window garden of Tulsi pot and plant. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you did, a humble request to like, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about my latest videos. You can also connect with me on Instagram or Facebook. See you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Thank you.